Now we are trying to find the particular solution where our equation is y double prime plus 4y equals x squared plus 8 cosine 2x. With the homogeneous solution we just solved will be k1 cosine 2x plus k2 sine 2x. Okay, so this is our problem set with the homogeneous solution we already solved. And we are trying to find the particular solution. And seeing this forcing function, the forcing function is x squared plus 8 cosine 2x. They are a simple function, right? X squared and 8 cosine 2x, they are a simple function with constant coefficient. Constant coefficient. So you can see that the x squared, the coefficient is 1. The cosine 2x, the constant is 8. So they are constant coefficients with simple function for the forcing function. Then we can use the undetermined coefficient trying to find the particular solution. Okay. And using the undetermined coefficient, we have to rule. We will first use the general rule, and then we will use the special rule if the special rule is applied. Okay. So using the general rule, the general rule saying that the particular solution format will be the same as forcing function and all its derivative. Okay. So for the x squared, for itself and all its derivative will be x squared, x, and constant. So it will be, I will use capital K as the constant, so k1 plus k2x plus k3x squared. So itself plus all its derivative. For the cosine 2x part, itself will be cosine 2x. The derivative will be sine 2x. So it will be k4 sine 2x plus k5 cosine 2x itself and its derivative. This is using the general rule. We also have a special rule. If the special rule is applied, let's see whether it's applied or not. So for the special rule saying that if you use general rule to get the form of the particular solution, and in the form, some term, if they are the same as the homogeneous term, then that term need to multiply by the choice of x. So let's see our homogeneous solution is cosine 2x and sine 2x. And you see our general solution, the particular solution format using the general rule also got this sine 2x and cosine 2x. So for this term, you need to multiply x there. What we can get is ypx will be equals to k1 plus k2x plus k3x squared plus x times k4 sine 2x plus k5 cosine 2x. Okay? So this is the final guessing form for the particular solution using both the general rule and the special rule in the undetermined coefficient method. Okay? Then how you find the particular solution? Then we will basically generate the yp prime, yp double prime, and yp. And using this three term to replace our original by double prime and 4y, and trying to get what is the constant coefficient, k1, k2, k3, k4, and k5. So that is, so using the term to find k1 to k5, basically. And you know yp, and you should know what is yp prime, will be k2x, oh sorry, it's k2 plus 2k3x plus 2x times k4 cosine 2x minus k5 sine 2x plus k4 sine 2x plus k5 cosine 2x. Okay, that is yp prime. You should also know yp double prime from the yp prime. That will be 2k3 minus 4x, okay, 4x, k4 sine 2x minus k5 cosine 2x plus 2 k4 cosine 2x minus k5 sine 2x, and plus, so this derivative will be 2k4 cosine 2x 2k4 cosine 2x minus k5 sine 2x. Okay, and you can put all this yp double prime yp here into our yp double prime plus 4yp. That should be equals to x squared plus 8 cosine 2x. So that is in the end. And you can solve what is your k1 to k5, that constant. And you should get all the constants without any artificial constant in your particular solution. And you can try by yourself, but here is basically tell you the conclusion here. 2k3 plus 4k1 equals to 0, 4k2 equals to 0, 4k3 equals to 1. So you can get basically k2 is 0, k3 is 1 over 4. Then you can get k1 equals minus 1 over 8. You can also get k4 is 2, k5 is 0. So just expand this term back here and trying to see each function, the constants and corresponding to the right part, the constant, then you can get k1 to k5 without any artificial constants anymore. Then in the end, what you can get your yp will be equals to 1 over 8 negative 1 over 8 plus 1 over 4 x squared plus 2x sine 2x. That is your particular solution. Okay, that is your particular solution. The general solution will be the particular solution plus the homogeneous solution. So the yx in the end will be yh plus yp. And your yh will be k1 cosine 2x plus k2 sine 2x. The particular solution is negative 1 over 8 plus 1 over 4x squared plus 2x sine 2x. So that is your general solution. In order to solve your constant k1 and k2 here, you need to have two either IVP or BVP.